camera, even looking at me.
I don't really know what to ask.
Don't, I'll just speak.
Alright, cool.
I think the one thing I love about parkour is the sense of community. The amount of people I've met and I've instantly got on with from simply doing parkour. It's amazing. There's people like Joe over there who they live about 40-45 minutes away. I would never even have met them, and now we're like best of mates. I think that's probably the main reason I love parkour. Done?
Free running to me is a sport which hasn't been taken over by the media hugely yet, which is why if you join it now and start practicing outside, then you're going to really feel the benefits, because eventually, unfortunately, it will become a competition of who's the best in the world and who can make the most money, and just competing against everybody, which isn't what it's originally about. It's supposed to be a competition for yourself and how far you can push yourself instead of competing against other people.
Oh! Was that further?
Yeah.
It's the same place. Oh!
That was close.
That's close.
Not as far though.
Next time.
Still filming. I'm going to come riding close to the camera so I can kiss it.
I'm going to be real damn close to this camera right now. I think one of the main reasons people don't want to start parkour or free running is injuries. But to be honest, not many injuries happen simply because you start off small. It's when you try and do things that you don't feel comfortable with, that's when injuries happen.
Oh, that's a keeper.
And it's something I'd always struggled with, trying to define exactly what it is, but in the end I don't think it's really necessary, because it's one of those things where it's kind of hard to describe it without sounding cheesy, but it's freedom to do what you want. You develop your own style, you develop your own way of moving. There's always this divide between parkour and free running, which I've never fully understood. If someone doesn't move to impress a crowd, that's fine, it's their choice. It's freedom. If someone doesn't move to improve themselves, to try to make them a better person in whatever way, then that's good as well. Pause there. waves.